people on. What's up guys, my name's Trevor. Welcome back to the ArcticVette channel. Today you're going to be seeing some clips of different things we've been doing during this quarantine. However, the main one that I want you guys to see is my entry video into YellowVette04, his virtual car show contest that he's having. And so I want you guys to go over to his channel, drop him a subscribe, and when these videos come out that he uploads, I'm not sure when, but keep an eye out for him and hit me with those votes. Please vote for me. It would be awesome. I'm not hoping to win it, but I just like these giveaways, these challenges, contests that Dave over at YellowVette04 puts on during the winter time. So I love helping support him. And if you guys could go support me with some votes, I'd appreciate it. Here's that clip. What's up guys? My name's Trevor. I run the ArcticVette channel, and behind me is Avi, my 1997 Chevy Corvette. She is teal on the top and white on the bottom. Currently, I have some clips of her being completely teal, and we'll show you guys that. So first things first, we have our teal hood still, and on my hood, I have signatures, and I need more, because my goal is to get this all signed and hang up in my garage. For the rest of the car, modification wise, to the engine bay, we've got a cold air intake. It's got some headers. I do have a K-Tech pulley, I don't know if that counts. We've got an Optima battery. And then if we step inside real quick, we have Audie, my son, and he's gonna give you guys a sound clip. Go ahead and hit him with that sound clip, Audie. Let's get that cold start. Oh yeah. So inside we actually have a Rockford Fosgate sound system. This is a 12-inch, I want to say that's a 1500 watt amplifier, Rockford Fosgate as well. We've got C6 wheels. We've got us a nice Duramax driving by. But that is our Corvette. Thank you, Dave. Take it away. Alright, if you guys like my little entry video there, please head over to YellowVette04 on YouTube, over to Dave's channel, and when he posts these videos, make sure you're dropping those votes for me, and hopefully we can win. I don't know what we're gonna win, but it'd be pretty awesome to win. Not that my car's gonna be the nicest, because you know it's got a lot of flaws. It still looks pretty decent. And for having 185,000 miles, 186,000 I think is where we're at, she's pretty mint. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and if you did, please drop that thumbs up, drop some comments down below, let me know what you think, and as always, please click that red subscribe button and that bell notification next to it. If Cohen was awake, he'd be telling you guys the same thing. Click that red notification and be notified every time we upload a video. Anyhow, have a great night, and we will catch you guys later this week in another upload.